Sulit alert kung naghahanap ka ng bahay na corner lot na, abot kaya pa, huwag mo munang skip to kasi bihira ang ganitong deal. This is a bank foreclosed property, corner lot, no bidding basta walang kasabay. At as is where is, meaning hindi mo na kailangan makipag-agawan sa bidding, unahan lang talaga. Located at KS4 General Trias Cavite, lot area 54 square meter, floor area 40 square meter. Perfect for starting families or investment. 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 car garage. Malaking advantage dahil corner lot. Selling price 1,848,000. Now, let's break it down. Sample computation, 20% down payment 369,600. 80% bank financing, 1,478,400. If bank financing at around 7 to 8% interest for 20 years, your estimated monthly amortization is around 11,000 to 13,000. Sample computation only. So magkano ang required income? Usually, banks require around 35,000 to 40,000 monthly income. Pwede combined para ma-approve. Take note, bank fees, transfer of title are not yet included sa presyo. Mode of payment, PDC, manager's check, cash, bank financing. Reminder, corner lot plus ganitong presyo plus bank foreclose plus no bidding equals hindi tumatagal sa market. Kapag may kasabay ka, wala na agad ang unit. Good news, may free house tour assistance kami so pwede mo agad makita before ka mag-decide. Message us now habang available pa. This is Jimpig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!